Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our October 18th, 2025 virtual class. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 4 of our favorite dies: the tree pop-up, the witch and cauldron, the charm accordion, and the skeleton and bat. For card 1, we will use that charm accordion to make a 4-page staggered accordion with a solid page 4. So that is decorated on all sides with those beautiful graphic 45 papers. Now, whenever we're featuring the same interactive die on both cards, I like to change things up for the second card. And one thing that has been popular in previous classes is when I teach a card assembly with an accordion die. So this is going to be a card assembly for the charm accordion. It's going to be obviously a great Halloween scene for this class, but learn that generic, kind of card assembly, and then you can easily transfer it to any theme. If you are new to our virtual class program, let me explain a little bit how it works. The required dies are required. So if you don't already own any of them, then your best value is going to be to bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. However, we are using favorite dies this month, so it's very possible that you already own 1 or more of those required dies, so you always have the option to get just your paper extras and instructions kit without the dies, and then you just fill in whichever dies that you need kind of on a, 1-by-1 basis. But I want to be very clear, you do need the dies, all right, because when your kit arrives, it is going to be kind of those bulk materials. And what you are going to do with those bulk materials is you're going to set them aside, and you're going to wait for an email. And that email is going to come to you about 10 days before the class premiere. So on about October the 8th-ish, you are going to receive an email from the place where you purchased your kit. And in that email is going to be some very detailed PDF instructions, as well as a link to a prep work video. And then you will follow along with those PDF instructions and that prep work video using your required dies and your bulk materials to get yourself into some ready to assemble card kits. So the difference between our virtual classes and Zoom classes is just the class day video, whether or not that's a live Zoom or that's a pre-recorded YouTube video. This one is a virtual class, which means that the class day video is pre-recorded and it premieres at a certain time. So in this case, October 18th, 2025 at 11 a.m. Central, right here on this YouTube channel. You do not have to watch the class at the premiere. It will be available to you to watch anytime after that premiere to finish your projects. How do you get a kit for this class? My suggestion is go to our website, KarenBurniston.com, and click on the Events tab. So that's where you will find a link to all of the stores that are making kits for this class. We will also offer a limited number on our website. They will show up in our Kits and Classes section of the website when they are ready to ship. I hope you can join us. This is really going to be a fun class.